how to fix you have too many friends on Snapchat. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily fix your you have too many friends on a Snapchat option. So if you are getting such type of issue on your Snapchat, so the first thing you want to do is simply open the chat and just click on this profile icon at the top left corner and simply click on my friends option. And the first thing you can do is you can simply remove the unnecessary friends from over here if you have like more than 250 friends. So just like, let me just show you an example. If I want to delete this friend, simply long press on it and just click on manage friendship, and you can from here you can remove that friend. But if you have more than 250 friends, what you can do is in that case simply head back to your profile, and from here you just click on this settings gear at the top right corner, just like this. Once you're inside here, and you have to scroll all the way down under your until you find the option related to support. So just click on this help center, and once you click on it, just scroll all the way down until you see the contact option. So just simply click on contact us option and just click on I found a bug, and from over here just click on yes if it asks you still need a help, and from here simply click on profiles and communities, and from over here you'll get this, and just click on my profile, and now just scroll down until you see this yes button. Simply click on yes, and from over here you have to just fill up all of the details like username, email, mobile number, and device or brand name in which you are using your Snapchat, and the issue that you are having. And you can also attach the particular screenshot file like that, which is optional, and you have to describe your problem like this here. So just like this, you have to describe your issue and click on submit. So once you hit the submit button, the Snapchat support team will contact you on your registered email, and just like that your issue should be fixed. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.